one box of 24 Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo for Chris C. Or Christopher C. So good luck here, Chris. Let's do it, my man. See what we got. Here we go. Topps Chrome Jumbo. I hope so, man. Make me pick up a super. Oh, Jesus. All right, 24 Topps Chrome Jumbo. Let's do it. Come on. See something big here. All right. Come on. Prism of Jack Leiter on the rookie and a refractor, Yandy Diaz. I think there's 2 in queue right now, PH. 2 in queue. That is it. Wow. 10 of 10 Fanatical. Jazz Chisholm. Hell yeah. Those are super short printed. Congrats on that one there. I'll get that into a mag for you, Mr. Chris. 10 of 10 on the Fanatical. These are not easy to pull, dude. Not easy at all. Very nice. That is awesome. For the Marlins in this, obviously now a Yankee, but very nice hit. Love these Fanaticals, dude. Love them. Very cool. Prism of Yordan and a Gleyber Torres refractor. You get a gold wave. Gold wave for the Braves. Michael Harris, the 50. Nice one there, too. There you go. Nice one. Congrats on that. And the gold wave, Michael Harris. And a Kodai Senga refractor. I'll see some big ink here. Rookie auto, Alexander Canario for the Cubs. Nice one there for the Cubbies. Alexander Canario and a Jacob deGrom refractor. Prism of Hammer Candelario and Devin Williams. That is a Junior Caminero on the SP. There you go as well. Nice one there. Congrats on that, Mr. Chris. Take that for sure as well. Caminero Photo SP variation. Prism is Shane Bieber, refractor Matt Chapman. Rookie auto is Drew Millas for the Nationals. Nice one there for the Nationals on the base auto. And a Imanaga on the refractor. Vladdy Jr., Juan Soto, negative of Dane Myers for the Marlins, and a refractor of Ryan Noda. Oh my God, P-Wang. You need to go to bed, dude. It is time for you to go to bed. It is time for you to be in bed for sure. Prism, Mickey Moniak. And a refractor, Lamont Wade. Prism, Zeke Tovar, and a refractor of Luis Castillo. Green Wave, Edward Julian to 99 for the Twins. And a refractor of Contreras. And then base auto, Spencer Horwitz for the Blue Jays. Nice one there as well. And then a refractor on the back of Bryce Harper. That'll do it for your break there, Mr. Chris. Pretty solid. I wish there was more than one, there wasn't all base autos, but the Fanatical is awesome and really nice SP of Caminero. Thank you again for the support, buddy. Get those right out to you, my man.